Hello, friends. Welcome to Chasing English, the place where you can practice English every single day and grow step by step. If you read with us often, your English will become clearer, stronger, and more natural. So don't just read with me. Say the words out loud and make your English better every day. Today's story is called Don't Waste Your 20s. This is not a story with shining quotes or fake promises. It is a story full of truths about life, truths that many people never tell you in school, on social media, or even in your family. These truths are sometimes hard, but also very powerful. Imagine this: you are in your 20s, maybe 21, maybe 25, maybe even 29. You are full of dreams. You want success, love, peace, and happiness. But sometimes you feel lost. Sometimes you stay awake at night, wondering, am I doing the right things? Am I wasting time? Will my future be bright? The speaker of this story is someone who has already lived through those years. They know what it feels like to be confused, to try, to fail, and to rise again. They are not here to impress you. They are here because they care. They want to tell you the lessons that only life can teach, the lessons that can save you years of mistakes. And here's something special. While you listen, you are not only learning about life, you are also learning English through real emotions, real examples, and real lessons. That's why this story is perfect for you. It will help your English and your future at the same time. So, let's take a deep breath. Let's open our hearts and our minds. Because if you understand these truths, you will never see your 20s or your whole life the same way again. Let's begin. Truth 1: Nobody is coming to save you. First truth is this: nobody is coming to save you. And don't worry, that is not bad news. In fact, it is the beginning of your freedom. Many people in their 20s think, one day, someone will come and change my life. They wait and wait. They hope maybe a teacher, a mentor, or even a rich friend will appear. They think maybe their partner will love them so much that finally they will feel complete. Or maybe a job will suddenly make them happy and successful. But here is the truth, spoken with love: nobody is coming. Not your parents, not your friends, not even your boyfriend or girlfriend. Why? Because everyone is busy trying to save themselves. Everyone is fighting their own battles. When you first realize this, it hurts. You may feel lonely, but if you keep thinking about it, you will see something wonderful. This truth sets you free. Because once you accept that nobody is coming, you stop waiting, you stop blaming, and you start building. Think about all the great people who truly changed their lives. Did they sit and wait? No. They looked in the mirror one day and said, if I don't do this myself, it will never get done. From that moment, something powerful happens. They stop needing a savior. They stop looking for rescue. Instead, they find purpose. They find strength inside themselves. And guess what? You can do the same. You can decide today, I will be my own hero. I will be my own strength. I will be my own voice. That is when your real life begins. Truth 2: the people around you shape your future. Here comes the next truth, and it may surprise you. The people you spend time with will either lift you higher or slowly bring you down. You may think, I am independent. I make my own choices. But the truth is, you are deeply influenced by the people closest to you. In fact, you are often a reflection of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Imagine this: you want to grow. You want discipline. You want a bright future. But your friends complain every day. They laugh at your dreams. They call you boring when you say no to another weekend party. At first, you think you can resist. But slowly, without noticing, you start to act like them. Your fire becomes smaller. Your goals feel less urgent. And the scariest part, you don't even realize it's happening. Now imagine the opposite. You spend time with people who read books, who set goals, who talk about ideas instead of gossip. They challenge you to grow. They make you believe in more than just surviving. They inspire you to chase excellence. Do you see the difference? One group makes you weaker. The other group makes you sharper. This is not just a quote, it's a law of life. Your environment will either fuel your greatness or feed your weakness. And if you're not careful, you might wake up at 35 and realize you never left the crowd that kept you small. So choose wisely. The people beside you today are shaping the person you will be tomorrow. Truth 3. Your 20s are for planting, not wasting. No, we come to a very important truth. Your 20 seconds are not for wasting. They are for planting. Many people believe that their 20s are only for fun, for parties, for endless weekends. They think success will magically come at 30. But here's the question. What did they plant in their 20s? If they spent every year chasing fast pleasure, what will they harvest later? No new skills, no strong habits, no savings, no discipline. And so, when they reach 35, they feel tired, broke, and lost. They laugh at you for working hard, but deep down, they are not happy. Don't let that be you. Your 20s are the most powerful time to grow. Yes, you can have fun. Yes, you can laugh and enjoy. But don't forget to plant too. Plant seeds of knowledge, read a little every day. Plant seeds of discipline, practice one skill until you master it. Plant seeds of health, move your body, care for your mind. Plant seeds of self-control, save money, protect your time. Because the truth is this, your 30s will be the harvest. If you plant well, your 30s will be full of fruit, freedom, strength, success. But if you don't plant, you will wake up hungry, wishing you had started earlier. So my dear friend, in your 20s, don't only chase pleasure, chase purpose, chase growth, chase the version of you that is waiting to bloom. Ending, be the author of your life. So now, dear friend, you know the first truths about life in your 20s. Nobody is coming to save you. You must be your own hero. The people around you matter. Choose friends who lift you higher. And your 20s are for planting, not for wasting. These lessons may sound simple, but they can change everything. They can turn confusion into clarity. They can turn weakness into strength. They can turn fear into freedom. Remember this. Your 20s are not a waiting room. They are the building ground for your future. Every day, every small action, every choice is a seed. And one day, those seeds will grow into the life you dreamed of. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start today. Be brave. Be kind. Be focused. Because your future is waiting for the person you decide to become. Thank you so much for reading and practicing with us today on Chasing English. We hope this story not only helped your English, but also touched your heart. Remember, learning English is like life itself. It grows with practice. It grows with patience. And when you practice every day, even a little, your skills will bloom like a beautiful garden. So keep coming back. Read with us. Practice with us. And step by step, your English will become stronger, and your future will shine brighter. This is Chasing English, helping you chase not only language, but also wisdom for life. See you in the next story, my friend. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and never stop chasing your dreams.